Yo, what up YouTube? This is your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another video for you guys right now. So there has been an update and a fix for the Armoury Crate SE for your ROG Ally. I made a video basically talking about it. It was basically for version 1.0.0.20. It's been automatically updated. So basically, if you did this right now and you try to update it, you basically ran into this error right here, which I'm going to show on the screen right now. Basically, we ran into this error right here. It's actually been fixed. As I said, just wait and it will actually be updated. So many of you guys that probably don't know, if you check your Armoury Crate right now, there was an automatic update that happened. So if you was just playing your games just regularly, Armoury Crate actually did an update without you actually didn't even knowing that you did an update for you guys. So if you go right now, you want to notice that Armoury Crate has not got an update. So let me just show you guys really fast. And there's actually, as we speak right now, a new update as we speak. So if we go to Armoury Crate right now, the version that I have was 1.4.4. something. So there is a new update for it right now, which is the same version. I'm going to click on update now, so it should be able to update it right now. But when I actually did it, was on a different version of me actually speaking about this video. So as you can see right now, there's the fix, updating. Everything's fixed right now to version 1.0.0.20. so as you can see, everything is working. There we go. Installation complete. Launch. There we go. Everything is fixed. So if we go towards contents, updates, as you can see, we are on the new Armoury Crate version 1.4.11.0. As you can see, it was just some weird stuff was going on. It was funny because I already looked at it, and as I was doing this video, it basically just showed what I was basically trying to show you guys, because before the version was 1.0.0.20, as you can see right now it's 1.4.11.0. This is what I actually seen before, so I'm just going to close it out real quick. We'll just do a fast refreshing, and that was something, because as I was reporting, the current version was actually this right here, which was version previous version was 1.0.0.20. As I was doing a recording, there was actually an update. As you can see, it actually updated it. So basically what I was saying before is that mine's actually updated while I had it sleep in the background. So as I wasn't using my ROG Ally and was on the dock, it actually did a reset. Not a reset, but it updated on its own. And when I came back into Armoury Crate, I'm just going to do this right now. This is basically like a few minutes of me before I actually did this video. I basically came in here, I went to update, I didn't see any update, and when I seen it was basically right here, it said 1.4.11.0. So I was like, okay, yeah, it did an update for me. So basically what I wound up doing was I just wound up going back real quick. I said, okay, did the update, check the files. It said that it was an update already done. So basically what I did was I had this open. I did a click for check for update before I started the video. I came back towards it. There wasn't no update for it. So as I started recording the video, an update just went live as we spoke of me actually doing this video recording right now. So as you can see right now, everything is up to date. Everything is basically done. The one last thing I am going to do is I'm going to check my aces real quick. As you can see right here, we're inside my aces. I just did an update to check to see if there's any updates. There's nothing new. So if I go right here, sorry, let's just click that out. If we go towards update history, you see nothing was actually done. You had the BIOS update and stuff like that. Okay guys, that being said, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, become part of the DYEZ gang, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Wow.